Good morning and happy Aloha Friday. So, it's starting to feel a little bit like fall outside, and I really love it. A lot of the summer flowers are now going to seed, and the new fall wildflowers are starting to bloom. We are seeing a lot of this in the middle school north Greenspace, which is located directly behind the school. And this is an area that we've been working on since 2016, and it is about 3 acres. And we've been working to restore that area back to a Indiana native wildflower and climate mitigation project. And this really allows students an opportunity to work with, wildlife biologists, environmental scientists, ecologists, and other experts in the field right here at the school. And so we did a lot of observations at the beginning of the school year, and we have an opportunity coming up next week after school where we're going to do a weed wrangle and get rid of some of the invasive species. This is being done in partnership with the Johnson County Native Plant Partnership, as well as the state of Indiana has a invasive management team that's going to come out and help us with that. But we are still looking for some parents to help with that. And if you're not sure about where it's at, it's right behind the school. And just let me know, and I'll give you more information on what that's going to look like. But it's really a great opportunity for our students to work with a lot of these environmental scientists and stuff like that, and see how a lot of the things that we talk about in class are applied in the real world. And so that's coming up. That will be on Monday, and it will be from 3:30 p.m. till 5 p.m. So it's just about 2 hours worth of work. And if you can assist with that, please let me know. Also coming up, be watching for information in Parent Square about scheduling conferences that will be coming up soon. Those spots do fill up pretty quickly, so you'll want to get on that as soon as it's posted. Um, we can make ourselves available at additional times if needed. Just contact us and we'll try to schedule that. But you don't want to miss this opportunity to be able to sit down with teachers and staff to have a good meeting. Also, have the field trip coming up on September 28th. Thank you to all the parents who have volunteered to help with that. We should be good on that. Those permission slips are going to be coming home next week, and the cost of that trip will be $15. Like I said, we're good on chaperones, and thank you to all the parents who have volunteered to help with that. As far as what's going on in science, we did finish up evidence-based conclusions this week. We took the test on Tuesday and did some vocabulary and stuff as we start getting into molecular structure. And we'll continue on with molecular structure for a couple more weeks. I do plan on finishing that before the end of the first 9 weeks. And so, things like atoms, elements, molecules, those types of things. In biology, we're doing macromolecule test today. So complex macromolecules. And then next week, we're going to begin cell structure and function. And this will include some work dealing with microscopes, as well as learning about cell membranes and like the lipids in the cell membranes and that kind of stuff. So kind of the application of a lot of that macromolecule stuff that we started off the year with. So that's kind of how things are going to play out this week and next week. Thank you again for everything you do as parents and caregivers. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, please do not hesitate to contact me.